What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this video, can I please request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe? Very important for the channel. We need to get the views up, subscribers up, comments up, everything. You know, we need more numbers, people, man. I've got some quality content and I need my flowers, man. But yeah, as you can already tell what this is about from the title, thank you for watching, and let's get into it. So we have a Moose Knuckles puffer jacket. This one is called the Dugald, whatever they want to call it. I'm going to call it the Dugald, even though that sounds proper weird saying it. It is what it is. Quick backstory to this, actually. It came out quite a few years ago. Not quite a few years ago, but I'd say about 3-4 years ago, or maybe 5 or 6. This is the original one, not the new one. I don't like the new one. It's a bit different. That's called the Dugald 2, so this is just the normal one. This came out, yeah, let's say like 4 or 5 years ago. It may be a bit more, a bit less. So don't quote me on that. I really liked it. I didn't buy it at the time, and then I thought, I need to get it. Luckily for me, found it under retail, found it at a good price. It was actually funny because I bought this in the middle of the summer. Literally in the middle of the summer. I believe it was last summer, so I've had this for a good, last summer, or was it the summer that's just gone? I don't know. Let's just say I've had it for a good, 7 months or whatever, or more. Let's get into it. So we've got my hanger because I don't have the Moose Knuckles hanger with this. It didn't come with a hanger. So this is my good old hanger. Let's just throw that to the side. It's got the labels on it. They are kind of worn or whatever. As shit happens with time. Oh, I swore I shouldn't do that. Moose Knuckles Canada. We've got the Dugald nylon down jacket, extra large, retail price £650, style M39MJ139, color 292, color description black, short and simple. The 292 is like how CP Company has theirs numbered or whatever, and an XL Dugald jackets. We've got a plain card in there, an authentic one, just explaining what the authenticity is. It's a wild world out there. Fake mooses popping up everywhere. Want to make sure your moose is real. Scan the tag, all that good stuff. We'll scan the tag just to make sure that people know it's real. Protection rating for this one is a level 3, crazy cold. So heavy and durable. Choose these garments when the cold gets serious, which is actually the UK right now. And then we've got the last one, which just explains what it is. So some jackets are like 90 and 10. This is high loft 80 and 20 down insulation, 4-ply interior construction, downproof lining, water repellent shell keeps the elements out, weather resistant durable hardware and trims, and wind resistant construction to keep you warm. Let's get into it, people, man. Let's just unzip it. It does have the double zip, so one is a YKK zip, the other one is a Moose Knuckles zip. So with a little Moose Knuckles branding or whatever. So just getting into it properly. So we've got half like this shiny Moncler type material and half of this matte black type material. So one's shiny, one's matte black, so it's literally like that throughout the jacket. The cuffs, actually, what I noticed is they say Moose and then Knuckles, so I like that. It's a little something. These sleeves are like slightly big for me anyway, so no one will see those. So they are kind of big, so I just put them like that. But that's the normal way. A little bit of Velcro there. No zips or anything on this one, or I should say on these arms. Then the upper, we've got that same down material. And then the hood, I really like these type of hoods, like the actual way it is, so with the little extra strip there. Nice kind of shiny hood. Then we've got the matte black with nice big pockets. I really love jackets that have pockets like this, so you know, the deep inside pocket and then the other double pocket. One of the best things ever is when a puffer or a jacket or a parka has these, the double pockets. Amazing. That's literally two separate pockets, but it's one pocket, you know, like in one. Amazing. Got the Moose Knuckles hardware there with a matte black zip. On the inside, it's just got a shiny pocket. It doesn't really have any writing on it or anything. And then we've got the Moose Knuckles. That's actually quite cool because it's like a graphic. So it's got like ones and zeros. All the IT people will get that, the ones and zeros. And then we've got the bit inside that explains unique puff, same thing that's on the label. So responsibly sourced RDS, certified high loft 80/20 down insulation, 4-ply interior construction, downproof lining, wind resistant, water repellent and breathable, and durable weather resistant hardware and trims. And then it's got a pocket there, just a normal zip pocket that says Moose Knuckles XL and TG on it. Then we've got that little all important, just to make sure that everyone knows that it is authentic, I have to do a check. NFC, so NFC is enabled. Literally pop it down there. Oops, what's going on there? Chrome. Whoops, what did I do there? Let's go back. Just once. Loading up. Something's happening. It's checking the authenticity. Good news, your item is 100% authentic. Would you like to register your product so we can track and streamline future warranty claims? I'll just press no for now. Thanks for choosing Moose Knuckles. For the latest news, head to our website. You just press it, mooseknuckles.com, and it will load up if the internet's not terrible. Yeah, there we go. They got a seasonal sale on. But yeah, so also missed out that it does have the matte black zip here. You know, I don't really undo those zips or anything, so I haven't even worn it yet, to be honest, man. It's so nice. I'm just waiting for like a special occasion. I don't want to be one of those guys who just wears it everywhere, every day. I do have one normal plain one that's like a day-to-day Moose Knuckles. This one's, you know, not so much day-to-day. I think I'm a bit too grown for this shiny stuff now, but it's still nice. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you like it. Tell me if you hate it. Tell me if you rate it. Tell me if you've got one. Tell me how you're finding it. I don't really have much else to say, to be honest, people. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and take care, people.